Using your hands in your video is going to make you feel a lot more authoritative, a lot more confident. You're going to have a lot of nervous energy. So what happens with our hands and with our arms is sometimes they look and feel like they have a mind of their own and you don't really know how to control them and they just kind of are distracting. So make sure you're talking with your hands effectively and efficiently and that you're using good movement and good ways to engage your audience so that they are able to take action, they're able to do what it is that you want them to do. It's a good way to keep the eye moving, keep things going on screen, to work out some of that internal energy that you have that you don't want to have just build up in your mouth and freeze up your brain, but you can kind of just begin to walk through this, get in a rhythm, and just feel more natural. Also, when you're talking with your hands, make sure you're going towards the screen, you're engaging the viewer. Try not to go outward as much as you can because that's not very engaging, but use your hands to bring viewers in, to direct them, to make them the point of emphasis on whatever it is that you're talking about. Talking with your hands, knowing what your hands are doing is good. If you're not someone who likes to have a lot of movement in your video, you don't want to do this, then just find a good natural resting position for your hands. A good natural resting position could be something where your elbows are in, your shoulders are relaxed, and your fingers are just kind of touching the opposite hands, just kind of in a relaxed position. This feels normal, it feels natural, and you can just power through your video that way.